Complete mukbang test. Oh, I think that's how to pronounce it. Sit. Yeah, so let's get started. It's like 8 in the morning. Just waiting until this is over. It doesn't go very quickly to store those downstairs. One quadrillion years later. Just go away. Come on, come on. Oh, just let me do it. By the way, I'm posting this on TikTok and YouTube. Not a new TikTok channel like 4 seconds ago. Like half a nanosecond ago. Just waiting. I open my eyes. I don't see it. I'm gonna cry. Let me just do. Let me be. Please. By the way, at least I'm not recording on my laggy computer. Bro, it looks like if it's in 0.1 FPS. But my favorite FPS is 240. Doesn't feel like too strange. And it isn't like crazy laggy. But the lower the FPS, the more you lag, bro. 60 would be fine, but 40 FPS. That's literally my computer 1 FPS. 2,000 years later. I had like a cool keyboard, but I had to get rid of it because it was being annoying. And I'm just gonna leave and come back. Hopefully it doesn't just like send me. Really, thank God it didn't like whee. Just go back to my whatever. Go. Trying to go. that this is taking forever. Ah! Ouch! My phone just fell on my face. That hurts. This time it's finally. I guess we won't have too much time recording due to how lucky it was. And not due to how lucky it was. Due to how long it took to just join the game. Look at this one. Goodbye. Commands. Hello, goodbye. I'm gonna just... That's... Man, I don't want this mukbang or whatnot. Let's try and get this snack. And no, not a snack. Dumplings, bro. What is sardines? I don't even know if that's how to pronounce. Let's try sausage. Let's get a drink. I want beer. What is... Okay, I'm just getting chocolate milk. Here so I can eat my delicious chocolate milk. What do I... What? Drink? What the heck? Drink? How do you even... How about eat? How do you even eat chocolate milk, bro? How would you eat chocolate milk? I need it. I don't want to go to first person, but bro, that sound effect is. I mean, that sound effect. Sorry if I did. There. Next. Say goodbye, could probably see curtains. It's so weird, bro. At least there's literally nothing. Hey, well, time to just... Oh, banana milk. Oops. Time to get... Let's see. Trying to do snack. Plain and a hot dog. Enough of ramen, but 2 times spicy. No! Nice order. Spicy. I'm gonna just eat my snack already. Time to eat snack. I can literally one bite this thing, bro. I can eat all this and actually take it. What the heck is going on? What is happening? Flaming hot dog. I'm just drinking banana milk. Ah! Why do I even do that, bro? Why do I like... Sometimes... table. Now this time I'm gonna get a dessert. Oh fine, I'm gonna get mochi, but I'm not. Well done, brownie. What? Get out of here! What the flip is that noise? Time to eat all this and literally zero. I am trying. Time for the final thing, the mukbang menu. Again, if I blueberry pie, no. Drink. I'll get no drinks. In fact, I'm not getting any drink. It's flaming hot chicken time. Bro, what the heck? That joke is literally stupid, bro. Get out of here! I'm eating all the chicken for myself. Now since I ate it, I need some water. Okay, just kidding. I need some milk. I need banana milk. Stop so spicy. Help. I need to drink every liter. Every single milliliter of water. Yes, now I drank it. Oh, I meant banana milk again. My mistake. And now bye guys, see you in the next video.